They're doing it again. Okay, so we're at the Tottenham Newcastle game as usual. I'm going to do something a little bit different because I'm a bit worried about this one, if I'm honest. There's a bit of tension in the air and there's already a lot of arguing in the stands. I've just had a conversation with a couple of mates and they all think we're going to go down. So I'm really looking forward to the battle with Anthony Gordon, who's just announced that he's going to start tonight. I'm going to take you to my seat. I'm going to go the other way because it's so much easier for me to go this way. So I'll take you to my seat and then we'll have a talk to Michael. And then we go this way. Oh, it's gone definitely quiet now. That's nice. Yeah, as you see, this is the seat. Come back to it, and it's all good. Everyone's there, and we're here. It's good to be here. We will get to Michael very shortly. Joins us here today. Say hello, Michael.
Hello, Michael. Hello, Martin.
Hello.
Yeah, another day in paradise at the Spurs Stadium. I just saw Hoddle at the press entrance, and I think I saw Les Ferdinand as well, but he looked shorter than I thought he would. But there we are, I'm very tall. Right, predictions time. Have you done your prediction yet, Martin?
I haven't actually done my score yet, but I will do it, and I'll let you go first.
Okay, well, I reckon we're going to draw 2-2 today. I'll go for a more realistic score, and I think we're going to have a miserable first half, concede early, and then we're going to have a fantastic second half, bit like Man City game. What do you reckon, Martin?
I reckon we'll lose this 1-0.
Okay, right.
It's one of those games where Dr. Tottenham turns up because Newcastle are horrific at their away form. We're horrific at our home form. Something's going to give, and I reckon it's going to be Newcastle's away record that will improve.
Well, that's very pessimistic, Martin, but you never know. I reckon we're going to do this one. It's going to be fine. Right, that's me. I'm not rambling. Cheers.
Thanks, Michael. This is Simon. He's going to give us a prediction for today. What is your prediction, Simon?
I think, strangely, there'll be goals in it because if Newcastle win today, I think they're clear. But of course, if we lose today, then we are deep in it. So I think there'll be goals. I think both teams will probably attack. So I suspect it could even be 3-2 to us, of course.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
that would be a wonderful game.
I think we're due a bit of luck, you know. And the other thing is, I think that throughout the season, certainly the games that I've been to and watched on TV, we haven't had much luck. And there's games we've played when we should have won the game and we haven't. I think we should be 8 to 10 points better off than what we are right now, based on performances.
Oh, well, thank you very much, Simon.
Right, Martin.
Have a good game.
Up the Spurs.
And the Spurs line up led by Thomas Frank. In goal, number 1, Guglielmo Vicario. Number 14, Archie Gray. Number 3, Radu Travusin. Our captain today, number 37, Mickey Van.
Now the game kicks off, I actually feel more up for it. I actually think we're going to actually do it. Actually, we're going to win 2-1. I've changed my mind. I'm allowed to change my mind. But I do want to see how good Anthony Gordon is against our defenders, because I think he might get a bit of joy out of it. Forgot to tell you who the referee was, and it's Anthony Taylor. So hopefully there'll be none of that rubbish that was last week. Newcastle will have a corner. Very lucky there to not have any issues there. Very lucky. Attempt. Been an even game so far. Nothing really to write home about. Both teams have really had it in midfield. Keeper. Foul. Not giving it. Crowd are getting incredibly restless. Oh my God. Hey. Surely that's a pen. Surely. Definitely a game of chess right now. And no side seems to know what to do. Oh. Get it forward. And now we've gone backwards. The whole crowd just groan as soon as the ball goes backwards. It's not a very nice atmosphere to be in at the moment. This is definitely more than atmospheric vlog than an actual vlog. There have been a lot of Newcastle corners, but I haven't really troubled us with them, so that's good. But there's another one coming in. Oh, that was close. That really was close. I thought that was in. Odebear looks like he's down injured. He just rolled his ankle by the look of it. Injury looks quite bad actually. He's going off on a stretcher, and it's literally the only thing that has happened. Actually managed to walk off, no stretcher involved, but he's limping. And Tell's coming on, so he's going off there, and Tell is coming on. So hopefully that gives us a bit of something else. Notification through on live score, and it said it was knee looking injury. So hopefully it's not that bad, because that'll be, you know, that could be up to 6 weeks. And another injury when we've bought no one and we can buy no one else. What is this club on? Foul, ref. Oh, bad foul. That should at least be a yellow. The crowd aren't liking it. But that should be yellow at least. That's probably the only bit of action we've actually had. Let's see what the ref makes of it. Absolutely nothing in that, apparently. Finally, there's a yellow card. But this is the strangest atmosphere I've ever been in. Nothing going on. I've recorded loads of footage, but it's just sideways. He's given a foul the other way. What is going on? He's actually given a foul in the card the other way. My God, this... I don't think I'm even watching professional football. It's just horrible. Oh. Please be offside. It's scored! Joe Willock. Every single bloody time. The 1 minute I thought we were going to get up for it. But the crowd has gone either silent and all you can hear is applauding. Pathetic players they are. Real pathetic. Oh, VAR. VAR. Dad thought he was offside at the time, but I said no. We'll just wait. But they're having a good discussion. And once again we can hear them. So that's good. I think Anthony Taylor's got a Mancunian accent as well.
Fourth officials indicated there will be a minimum of 5 minutes at a time.
God knows why this takes so long. Should be a simple decision. Offside or not. Yay! He's been offside. That called that in real time. Thank God for that. Every time the ball goes backwards, the crowd are so loud because they don't want the ball to go backwards. Definite foul in my opinion. He pushed him. Dangerous free kick. Good save. No! I don't believe this. Listen to the crowd. We literally had 30 seconds left. And we can see.
First half stoppage time from number 12, Manning Town.
I don't think you can really blame the keeper there. Even though many will. But he had nothing to do. Not his fault. Oh, hello! No, he's given nothing. It's one of those, I just think it's contact. But, yeah, this is doing great. Listen to that noise. The crowd really aren't happy. Not happy at all. I'm going for a drink. Well, my half-time thoughts on that one was been a bit of a rubbish day. Team's not going right, they just don't want to do anything. Every time they're always backwards, the fans are on their backs all the time. I don't know what the fascination is with playing at the back all the time. We never get it forward. I just hope and I pray that we come out with the second half, attacking our end, and be a lot better than what we are.
That was a difficult half, wasn't it, Martin?
That was woeful.
Yeah, but for a really interesting VAR decision, we'd be 2 down. But still, I did predict 2-2 at the end of the game, so I'm not too upset about it.
Yeah, I thought it wasn't offside, but Dad called it in real time.
Yeah, well, you know, VAR, you've got to trust the gods of VAR. Anyway, let's hope for a better second half. Booed off at half time again.
Cheers, Michael. Second half is beginning. Basuma is off, Palin is on. Don't know whether that's an injury or not. They're singing Poch's song, and I don't know why. All because of that interview. Nothing. Oh, we need more of those types of shots, but we won't get them under this manager. I just don't understand why you would sing another manager's name at a club when the manager is in charge. It feels really eerie in here. You wouldn't believe there's a football match going on the way the crowd are. Strange, strange atmosphere. I suppose it's like waiting for the inevitable to happen, and it's just never coming. You have a chance. Oh! How did you miss that? How did you get over the bar? Unbelievable. Getting a little bit louder in here now. I really don't understand this atmosphere. Sporadic would be the word I would use. Oh, it's free kick actually. They're standing all offside. No. Oh. How nice, you're great doing that scorpion kick. Get up. Oh, unlucky. We then half make some petulant fouls. Seriously. Hate it when we do that. Oh, another yellow card. That was one of those orange cards, I think. Not quite a yellow, not quite a red. But it was definitely a dirty foul. Oh! Hit the defender. Nah, nothing. Pretty much sums up the quality of this game. Bad from both sides. Exactly the tense game that I predicted earlier. Although I didn't expect both sides to be this bad. Good ball in. Yes! Come on! Who was that? I don't even know who it was. We'll have a look. The keeper's complaining about something.
Number 14, Archie Gray.
Yes! Oh, 1-0. Goal given. There was a little check, but nothing important. Just wait for this ball. The referee booked him for diving. I thought he dived himself. He's booked him. He definitely booked him for it. The crowd really aren't happy. Really aren't happy at all. Goal! There you go. That's why they're unhappy. 2-1. As a result of that, the crowd have gone really, really quiet. But there was I've got a few fixtures here. Chelsea are winning, Bournemouth are winning, West Ham are drawing. I'm not sure what the table looks like. As results stand now, we are 5 points clear of relegation. I honestly see that we are going to get in the mix for relegation. The reason why there's booing is there is a player down. And Moani's just about to come on. Thomas Frank is trying to save his job. He's gone too up front, I think. But the crowd, it's toxic in here. Really toxic. The thing that I don't understand is if your club is sleepwalking its way to relegation, why are the fans not making a bigger deal of it? And there's a chart for Newcastle, and it's wide. The really good thing about tonight is that the sky, because of the stadium lights, is showing up in all different colours. It really is the most entertaining thing about this game. Let me show you. Look up there, I don't know if you can see it, but it's all purple and green and orange. But yeah, that's fantastic. Again, back post, keeper's up though. Oh no! Oh, that was so lucky. Oh, get up! Oh. Got 6 minutes to go, plus stoppage time. And you wouldn't believe that we are 2-1 down. It seems as though we're playing a containment game plan, and I don't really see anything worth it. It's like the players don't want to play under this manager. Even Dave is having a go at Randall Colomwani. The players are just lazy. And every time one of their players falls over, they get a free kick. Unbelievable. West Ham have scored, so that means we're even closer to relegation. We are 3 points away, as it stands. So we need to get a point here. Ridiculous. They're doing it again. This time it was definitely louder. I've even told Michael there's no point doing a review. The club just don't look like they know what they're doing. And you've got the fans that travel miles to come and see them, and they don't bother putting anything together. We've got literally 3 minutes left, and I wouldn't be surprised if Newcastle score another goal. Bizarre game. No, not going to get there. They're all flooding, look at this. They're all flooding. They're all flooding. They're saying Britain. They're not up there. Look at that, they're all going. He's going to blow any minute now. Nah, that's it, game over. There you go. That would land again. I will wait until. Bye. Let's see what reaction Thomas Frank gets. In the blue coat there. Geordie's making all the noise. They were fantastic tonight. Probably the only ones that were. Well, major disappointment here, as predicted. I knew that I was going to be right, that we would lose, but the atmosphere, woeful. The introduction into this vlog, probably woeful as well. Nothing went right, and I really do think it's the end of Thomas Frank, because the fans aren't behind him. I don't think most of the players are behind him. I just can't see where our next 3 points are coming from. We've got Arsenal next at home. I don't know how that's going to go. We'll probably get smashed, but hopefully the fans will be up for it. But I will be there as always. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.